Oh no, I'm late again. Paul is waiting. He will be angry. Where is the cafe? I can't find it. Left or right? Oh, there it is.
Where is Jenny? I already finished my water. Maybe I should order another one. Or maybe coffee. Yes, coffee always helps.
Good morning, Paul. Sorry I'm running late today.
No problem, Jenny. I just got here myself.
Paul, I'm here. I ran all the way.
You look like you ran a marathon.
I did, for coffee. Good reason. Sit down. Breathe. I need water first, then coffee.
Okay, I'll call the waiter.
Waiter? Oh no, that sounds serious.
Don't worry, he's nice. It's time to eat. This place looks nice. Yes, it is. Bright and quiet. Where do we sit? Inside or outside?
Outside looks sunny, but inside looks cool. Let us ask the waiter.
Wait, I can do it. I will speak English.
Okay, go on, Mr. English speaker.
Excuse me, where can we sit? Inside or outside?
You can sit inside or on the terrace near the window.
He said terrace. What is terrace?
Terrace means outside with fresh air.
Oh, I like fresh air, but not birds stealing my fries.
Then inside is perfect for you. Yes, let us sit inside near the window.
Of course, please follow me.
Nice view. I can see the street and I can see the menu. So many words.
Do not worry. We will read them together. Good. English and food.
So many words on this menu. What is this one? Beverage.
Beverage means drink.
Drink like soup.
No, soup is food. Beverage is for drinking. So coffee is beverage, juice is beverage.
Yes, you got it. And water. And tea.
Perfect. You are learning fast.
I am smart. I speak food language. Maybe soon you will teach English in a cafe.
Yes, but first, I need another beverage. Are you ready to order drinks?
Yes, I want wine.
Wine in the morning. It is always morning somewhere. Can I see your ID, please?
ID? What is ID?
It means your card to show your age.
Oh, my face is my ID.
No, your face is not enough. Maybe next time.
Okay, then I will take a soft drink.
Soft drink? What is that?
Soft drink means no alcohol, like soda or juice. Good. I like orange juice.
Me too. Orange is energy. Can we smoke here?
No, only outside on the terrace.
Perfect. I love fresh air with no smoke. Yes, that is much better. So, one orange juice and one soft drink.
Great. It feels like vacation. While we wait, let us play a game.
A game? I like games. What game?
You say a food word, I say a drink word. Okay, I start. Soup,
Juice.
pasta,
Coffee.
croissant,
Tea.
pizza,
Soft drink.
salad.
Wine.
No, wine is alcohol.
Yes, but it is still a drink. Cake.
Hot chocolate,
Sandwich.
lemonade.
Piece of cake.
That is not a word. That is my dessert. Okay, last one. Burger.
Gin and tonic.
Chenny, that is not for breakfast, but maybe for celebration. We both win. We learn and eat.
Here are your drinks. One orange juice and one soft drink.
Thank you. They look fresh.
Yes, and cold. Perfect for a hot day. Cheers to English and drinks.
Cheers, Jenny. I have a question. What is it? How do I ask for the toilet?
Oh, good question. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?"
Excuse me, where is the restroom? Perfect. Or you can say, where is the bathroom?
Restroom. Bathroom, toilet, all the same?
Almost. In cafes or restaurants, people say restroom or bathroom. And who do I ask? Waiter or the girl at the door?
You can ask the waiter or sometimes the hostess.
Hostess. The person who meets you at the entrance.
Ah, the welcome person. Yes, that is her. But it feels a bit strange.
It is normal. Everyone asks. Just say it with a smile. Excuse me, where's the restroom? Good. Now you sound polite. Good, because I really need it. Go then before your juice gets warm.
Excuse me, where's the restroom? Oh, it is upstairs. Upstairs. Yes, go straight, then turn right, and you will see the sign.
Go straight, turn right, see the sign. Got it. It says restroom for men and women. Great, thank you.
You are welcome. The view is nice upstairs, too. Maybe I will stay there forever.
Just do not forget your drink.
I will take it with me. Juice to go.
You're back. Did you find the restroom?
Yes, I did. It was clean and big.
Good. You did not get lost.
No, I followed the signs. Even met the security.
Security? The guard at the door?
Yes, he said hello. Very friendly. People here are nice. Look, the hostess is helping new guests.
Hostess? She welcomes people. Yes, she shows where to sit. And the waiter brings food and drinks.
You learn fast. And who makes drinks behind the bar?
That is the bartender. He makes coffee and cocktails. Nice. And who cooks the food?
The chef. He works in the kitchen. So, we have hostess, waiter, bartender, chef, and security.
Perfect. You know all the people in the cafe. Then maybe I can work here.
Only if you cook better than you clean. Would you like anything else? It means, do you want more food or drink?
No. I am full. I want to pay. Then you say, can we have the bill, please?
Can we have the bill, please? Of course. One moment, please.
Bill, is it the check?
Yes, bill and check mean the same thing. Good. I learned fast. Do we need to leave a tip?
Tip like money tip. Yes. We leave some money to say thank you. How much?
Usually 10% or more if service is good. Then I will leave 20. He smiled at me.
You are too kind. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Can we also have a glass of water?
Sure. Free water is on the house.
On the house. It means free. You do not pay.
Oh, I love that phrase. Maybe ask for a discount too.
Yes, maybe I say it was my birthday.
Good try, but maybe next year. Okay, I learned new words today. Bill, tip, and free water.
Perfect. English and coffee. Best combo. Is everything okay with your drinks?
Yes, very okay. Super okay, Paul.
That's nice. And you can answer everything is great or perfect.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. I will remember that. Great to hear. Anything else I can do for you?
How do we to say move, change? You mean you want another table?
Yes, the one outside. Fresh air. Then say, can we sit outside, please? Or, can we move to another table?
Can we sit outside, please? Of course, I will prepare the table for you on the terrace. Wow, it works. Yes, English magic. I speak and chairs start moving.
You're a polite magician, Paul. The terrace is ready for you.
Thank you so much. Fresh air and new words. Perfect combo.
Yes, English feels easier when the weather is nice.
Oh, this place feels so nice.
Yes, fresh air, sunshine, and coffee. I like this view. People walking, cars passing. It feels alive. Not too loud, just perfect.
You know, I am proud today. I spoke so much English.
You did great. You asked for the restroom, ordered drinks, and even moved tables.
Yes, my favorite phrase now is, can we sit outside, please?
And my favorite is, free water is on the house. Oh yes, that is a beautiful phrase. We also learned about people who work here. Hostess, waiter, bartender, chef, security.
Exactly. You remember everything. Maybe next time we can learn more words for food.
Yes, maybe pasta, sandwich, or croissant. And dessert. Never forget dessert.
True. Dessert first, English second. I like that rule. It was a good day, right?
Thank you for learning with me.
Thank you for teaching and laughing. And thank you for watching. Remember, English is everywhere, even in your coffee cup. See you next time. Bye.